Be honest with yourself. You say you want discipline, but look at your habits. At nights, you stay up scrolling TikTok, watching some random girl shake her ass instead of working on yourself. You promised you'd wake up early, but you hit snooze 3 times and started your day already losing. And here's the truth. Everything you've heard about self-discipline, waking up at 4 a.m., taking cold showers, forcing yourself to grind 12 hours a day, it's all wrong. That's why you keep failing. This isn't because you're broken, it's because you've been fed bad advice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip the switch and finally master self-discipline, even if you've been lazy your whole life. You want abs, but you'd rather watch Mia Khalifa at 2 a.m. than hit push-ups. You say you'll start studying tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You sit there convincing yourself you're just waiting for motivation. Motivation isn't coming. If you wait for it, you'll be 40, broke, and still saying, "I'll start on Monday." Self-discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about controlling the small moments. The ones where you either choose your future or you throw it away for a cheap dopamine hit. Your brain is a lazy machine. It always looks for the easiest option. So stop making failure the easiest option. If your phone kills your focus, throw it in another room when you work. If you binge junk food, don't keep it in your house. Don't try to resist. Just make it harder to fail. If you want to work out, put your shoes by the bed so you literally trip over them when you wake up. Right now, your environment is set up to make you weak. Fix your environment and you won't need as much willpower. You think discipline means grinding 12 hours a day. Wrong. Discipline starts with showing up, even for 2 minutes. If you're too lazy to work out, just do 5 push-ups. If you're too lazy to study, open the book and read 1 page. Sounds dumb, right? But here's the trick. Once you start, momentum kicks in. You don't stop at 5 push-ups. You don't stop at 1 page. Starting is the real battle. And once you win that, the rest gets easier. Right now, your brain is addicted to cheap dopamine. TikTok, porn, junk food, all of it gives you quick pleasure for 0 effort. No wonder real work feels boring in comparison. You fix this by training your brain to wait. When you feel the urge to check your phone, wait 10 minutes. When you want to bust a nut, don't. Go do 20 push-ups instead. When you want a snack, drink water first. Every time you delay gratification, even for a few minutes, you're rewiring your brain. You're teaching it, we don't take the easy win anymore. We go for the real reward. That's how discipline is built. Here's the harsh truth. You keep failing because you call yourself lazy, and your brain believes it. Start calling yourself disciplined, even if you don't fully believe it yet. Back it up with small, consistent actions. You did your push-ups? You're disciplined. You studied 10 minutes instead of scrolling TikTok? You're disciplined. Discipline is an identity. An identity is built by repetition, not by waiting for motivation. You don't need motivation. You don't need the perfect morning routine. You don't need to magically stop being lazy. You need to rig your environment, start small, delay your dopamine, and step into the identity of someone who shows up every day. Do this for 30 days, and you'll look back and realize the old you is dead. The lazy you doesn't run the show anymore. You do. If you're still here, you've got the spark. Don't waste it. Leave one comment right now. What's the one thing you're going to do today to prove to yourself you're disciplined? And if you're serious about building unstoppable discipline, watch this video next. It'll hit even harder. Stay disciplined. I'll see you there.